prudent investment of money. 1. To get ready for retirement, put money into an IRA or Roth IRA. Although you might not immediately link retirement funds with getting rich, the truth is that you can retire with millions of dollars if you save and invest your money effectively. Making a retirement plan and utilizing tax-deferred retirement plans like IRAs, individual retirement accounts, are the first steps towards achieving this. You can save money more quickly thanks to the tax treatment they offer. 2. 401k contributions can be made to save money for retirement. Employer-sponsored 401k plans allow pre-tax contributions to be invested. Give yourself a strong financial foundation for retirement if your employer provides 401ks with contribution matching. If you start investing early, you can retire wealthy with a 401k, an IRA, and any other pension or Social Security benefits you receive. 3. Consider investing in the stock market. Spend money on stocks, bonds, or other investment vehicles that will provide you with an annual return on investment, ROI, sufficient to support you in retirement. Make intelligent decisions by seeking out good stocks and passive funds in sectors that are expected to grow in the future, as well as those with strong fundamentals and outstanding leadership. After that, let your stock to grow in value over time. 4. Invest in assets with a history of stability, such as real estate and rental properties. If you have the means, you might want to think about making a fortune by investing in real estate. However, historically, many individuals have done well for themselves by amassing real estate because that form of investment increases in value over time. No investment, however, provides tangible assurances. 5. Ensure that your investing portfolio is diverse. Investing in several different asset classes as opposed to putting all of your money into one or two investments is one of the finest strategies to become wealthy through investments. Putting all your financial eggs in one basket can be perilous, particularly amid stock market turbulence. A diversified portfolio safeguards you and positions you to maximize your investment returns. 6. If you need assistance with investing, see a financial counselor. You don't have to do getting rich alone if any aspect of it feels daunting. Financial advisors can assist you in understanding your present financial situation and in developing a strategy to increase your wealth in the future. They can also look after your current portfolio of investments. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.